In this video, we're going to look at some homework type problems where they give you pictures of scatter plots and then ask you to match it to possible R values. One of the things that I just want to throw out there is that a lot of people think because I teach stats, I can just look at a dot plot or scatter plot, I should say, and just go, oh yeah, that R is this number. So yeah, I know that R is negative 0.53. No guys, sorry. I am a nerd, but just by looking at dots or at scatter plots, I can't tell you what the R is. However, I can tell a couple things like whether the R should be positive or negative. So here, this is trending up, so here R should be positive. This is trending down, so R should be negative. And this one is also trending down, so this one should be negative. So if I look at my list of a match game, there's only one positive number on there. So that means by default, that must have an R value of 0.82 for our match game scenario. Okay? All right, now, as far as these two, we have two negative numbers. So I have to choose between negative 0.9 and negative 0.6. So how am I going to decide? Well, we know the closer to looking like a line you'd be closer to negative 1. This one is much closer to being a line than this one. So that must mean that this one goes to this graph, where this one goes to this graph. It's more blobbish, less like a line. Okay, so it's really just kind of trying to use our logic and what we know about being positive versus negative and closer to a line and further away from a line. All right, they're pretty fast. You don't have to give a lot of explanation. You just have to be able to match them. All right, good luck.